Miguel Love, shout out. It's me again, Sam Ravi. It's a very cool morning here in the cottage. Kape-kape tayo ng kopi ko. Good morning, heaven. Ayan, heaven ang tawag nila dito eh. Dahil napaka-quiet. Walang disturb. Sarap sa mga honeymooners. Sana all honeymoon. Anyway, ayan mga kasam, today is our second day or first morning here in the cottage. Ayan, titingnan namin ngayon kung anong gagawin namin para ma-vlog ko naman. Ayan, baka punta kami sa town or dito lang, maglaro-laro lang. Kaya ayan, maganda na kami ng aming breakfast. Cheers for the coffee. Diyan lang kayo. At ako'y magbabalik. See you later! And in the morning, the lake. We're gonna look at the lake early in the morning. Let's go.
She wants to say hi.
Hi. It's look like the water is coming in here. It's like a high tide nga. It's a little bit cold. Cold talaga. Parang tago sa buto. I should wear my sweater. Ayan, medyo ganyan lang ha. Dahil wala akong bra. Charot. That's the lake. It's very quiet. Diba? Kuha tayo ng sweater. Malamig. Let's go back. O, yan ang lake nila dito. Dagat, matabang. Wala kaming dagat dito eh. Lake lang. Sa Canada. Okay. Babalik ako.
It's supposed to rain, eh? And then Saturday, as it gets to the end, it's supposed to be beautiful.
No, I know it's like you're coming from
Days of rain, it's what do you do with
Breakfast. We can play the book. Actually, I like that. What's that?
like the jumpers.
What, is it gonna rain again? back mga kaasam. Now we're going to the town. I wanna buy my rice. Para akong nanghihina. Pag walang rice yata 2 days na wala akong rice. Kaya papasyal na rin kami sa town dito. Kaya samahan nyo kami. This is our second day here. And tomorrow we're going home. Let's go!
Yeah, weather. Just if it was warm, I'd be alright.
Wala naman palang nasa shopping doon. Mga ano lang yun, mga junk. Actually, at least nakapunta kami sa pinakataon.
Cottage
Diba?
stuff.
Cottage what?
Some of the cottage stuff were in the cottage from there.
Yeah, mga cottage na mga gamit pa. It's not bad. Diba? Okay, uwi na kami. Let's go again.
Wine store.
Salamat. Huh?
A wine store.
I know, lots of wine here.
Lots of gay flags.
1996. Yeah, this one they can build it here, right? This is there still, right?
Yeah.
But it's so deep.
Oh, there's the outhouse.
Mm.
Yeah, it's outhouse. Didn't really get that far up, but it was-
Back up. kasama, maglaro-laro kami ng bocce ball. Laro ito ng mga, ano eh, usually mga matanda ang nakikita ko dito. So yung mga kasama ko mga matanda, so probably they gonna win. Okay, let's go! Watch the game!
We have that.
Learn to mankind.
Bocce ball, what my color is? Yellow.
The other one's down there.
The other one's down there.
Ah,
Hey, you too. Can you go first?
Who's gonna go first? Let Rhoda go first.
ladies
Watch your-
first.
Watch your drink right
Men first.
there. Yeah, you go first.
Where's the small ball? So you have to be closer to the small egg.
Yeah, I'm gonna just.
Okay, let's
keep
go.
us
Start.
rolling here.
And we're off.
Ay,
Oh.
So then.
Ay, that's so close. Mike first.
Do I have to go first? Oh, I thought you went first here.
Oh.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Creep it up.
That's it.
Not hard enough.
Oh, me. But I went too far.
There it is.
Oh, one more.
Oh, I was trying to knock it out of that park.
You got one.
Everybody shot one. Never know if it's gonna hit a mountaintop and roll off.
Wow.
Who's got it?
No. Yeah, you still got it.
Yeah, your other one. Man, what's happening to me?
How many are your son?
One.
You got two now.
Yeah.
Two, 1-1. Your little white ball.
Farther.
2-1-1, man. I'm gonna get it this time. I'm getting the feel for the weight of these balls now.
Ay.
Holy smokes, bro. Great shot.
Oh.
One. One or yeah.
No, no.
Playing too much. I'm assuming you got two. Yeah, you got two.
So that's
4-1-1.
four.
He's smoking us.
Oh, you.
Oh, nice.
I have only one.
Oh my goodness.
Sneaks in front of it.
Well, you're closer.
Oh, I saw what you were trying to do.
Yeah.
Ah, no hope.
Oh, one more.
I'm trying to pick out the blue.
Seven.
He's smoking us. 7-1-1. Yes. I'm feeling
Take your beer first.
It's
You don't want to take your beer? Where is it going?
oh, sorry. No, we pick it up. A bocchini. Probably arguing with this option. Oh.
There.
Oh, what a dud.
Don't carry me.
Boom.
Oh. Okay, so, so far it's broken.
Ay, ay, ay.
Two. Yeah, you got two.
5, 4,
6. You got 2 points.
6.
6-4-4.
And the winner is Michael, the golden. And the silver is Gary. And me is the loser.
The bronze.
That's really the
The
game of
bronze.
the old people. Charot. Joke.
All good
Yeah,
for the game
I
is
like to hit it.
somebody in the head. Oh, this has been played since 5200 BC. You remember that, huh?
She can't be near this until we count. We got one.
Now she's crying. I'm so close right now.
Whoa, whoa,
Oh, sorry.
Okay, knock her ball out. Oh, close, Marianne, close. So you guys got two, yeah?
So only.
Well, we got two because the yellow balls. Yeah, so what is it? We got 5, you guys got 3 or 4?
Three. You have only one, right, hon? Yeah.
Okay, there's the. Okay, Roby, you go first. You gotta go second. Well, so far, that's the one to beat. Go ahead, Jeff.
Closer.
Oh. That's the closest one.
That's the one to beat.
Yeah, you're in front.
Wow, Anne is the closest one.
Which is one to beat?
Oh, you.
Push the blue.
You are blue.
Oh, so it's,
I don't know. It's so.
it's one.
I think it's
Yeah,
the red one.
And you got and you got the next closest, so it's 1 point. So it's 6,
4.
4 to 6. And Marianne throws the white ball.
Oh, wait.
All right, I'm gonna throw this.
That's red. Oh, you're red.
I'm good for
My
that too.
bash.
So,
And my rice.
I'm in heaven. This looks gorgeous. That fish looks pretty damn good.
Do you want?
No, I'm good. I'm gonna have lots
okay.
of. There's lots of stuff here for
It's
me.
really good.
I know. I like tilapia.
I can eat all of that.
You know,
with the
I
head.
eat tilapia a lot. But
And
I,
you want fish, Anne?
I never eat whole fish like that.
Oh.
I just eat I buy the fillets, right? We buy tilapia fillets all the time.
Without head. No, I
Without
like
the
that.
head and without the
Oh.
whatever,
Where do you
without
get
the
those
fins and
No
Yeah,
frills.
all that other
No
stuff.
frills?
Yeah.
They're just buy
Oh.
them frozen?
No frills.
Yes.
They sell that at No Frills.
These
They do, yeah. And our, it depends which one you're talking about.
And you have to eat
The
with
one by our
hand.
place, yes. There's a lot of.
You have to eat with
They
hand.
even have like pig heads and.
Ah.
Oh well, I could do without
Yeah,
pizza.
I know that. Pig, what else
You
do
want
they
to
have?
try? Fish?
Oh,
It's okay.
No, I'm okay. I got lobster. Oh, where's the top? Where's the top?
You have lots of meat.
What? Oh, the potatoes turned out
Potatoes.
beautiful.